NFTs are wreaking mayhem in the art industry by modifying how art is traded. Through platforms like OpenSea and Foundation, digital artists may sell directly to collectors, skipping middlemen and galleries. It's no wonder that auction houses want to be a part of this tremendous transition. NFT portrays a one-of-a-kind digital work of art whose authenticity can be authenticated using blockchain technology. A non-fungible token is one that is neither interchangeable or replaceable, as well as non-identical to any other token in the world, making it one of a kind. NFTs have been accessible since 2014, but it wasn't until 2021 that they fully took off in the creative world. NFTs, unlike traditional galleries, are aimed to eliminate the need for art brokers by allowing artists to trade directly online, usually via specialized auction sites. In contrast to the modern art business, there is no vetting of collectors, a technique designed to prevent the most speculative purchasers from flipping artworks for a profit. Anybody may purchase an NFT, and prices, so frequently a thing of mystery in high-end commercial galleries, are stated as a matter of public record. Every time an NFT is resold, its author also gets a profit, an inherent royalty structure lacking from the physical art industry, where artists sometimes feel as though they have been shafted when their work is resold on the secondary market. More detail, contact us.